Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. I know most of you, but for those who don't know me, my name is Aziza Tahir, Vice Principal of Baridhara Scholars Institution. I teach English and Computer Science in O-Level and A-Level. Today, I'll be presenting a proposal for a course called Ready, Set, Engage. I'd like to begin by asking you a question. What do you think is the biggest challenge for teachers in our school? Any idea? In order to find out the answer to this question, I conducted a needs analysis of our teachers. I sent out a survey and I observed classes. You might be surprised by my results. I found out that the biggest challenge is students' engagement and management in an interactive class. I used interview and survey as my needs analysis tools. From the survey, I found 85% of the teachers are not able enough to conduct a successful class as they have lacking in their interactive classroom management techniques. When I observed classes, I saw that student participation is unequal or lacking. I also found that 60% primary and 40% secondary students' classrooms are lacking the power to be controlled by the teachers. The teachers also do not use different teaching techniques or styles, so we can design our training to fill these needs. So, what can we do about this problem? I asked myself. That's when I decided on a training course called Ready, Set, Engage to solve this problem. Let me tell you how this will benefit students, teachers, and administrators like you. Ready, Set, Engage focuses on interactive classroom management technique. It will provide teachers with the knowledge of a measurable student accomplishments, and it is obtained by assessing how well students master a given subject material. The scale of flexibility in teaching is obtained by applying training methods that involve two-way communications. Firstly, it will enable a teacher to make quick adjustment in processes and approaches to teach a student interactively. You know, practice makes perfect. So in this way, interactive interaction will surely enhance the learning process. Student motivation is enhanced as two-way teaching spells. First, student passivity, and when more students are engaged, you'll have much more fun too. A work group environment is set up by involving yourself as well as the student. And Ready, Set, Engage will improve students' participation by improving their performance and grades. Now the goal. What goal we get? My overall goal is that by the end of the course, participants will be able to use different techniques of interactive way of teaching for effective classroom management. So, we have talked about the course description and goal. Now, let's look at the training outline. Let's start with the course objectives. By the end of the course, participants will be able to define the characteristics of the interactive way of the technique of classroom management. Then they can plan needs analysis for understanding the techniques of different types of interactive teaching. We can also identify students two prerequisites for effective learning. One is passivity of merely listening to lecture and instead become attentive and engaged. Create activities and lesson plans for interactive teaching context. We'll do a variety of activities during the course to help the participants meet the objectives. You can see all of the activities here. Firstly, read and discuss articles, journals, and philosophers' books too on interactive education. You can plan needs analysis. You can also watch teaching videos from the YouTube. Create participants, active lesson, activities, and plans. use and share technology or non-technology tools. You can review and also evaluate interactive lesson plans. I have done some research and discovered that according to Marshall Russell, philosophy of student discipline is one that employs a structured, systematic approach designed to support learning. Classroom management, student motivation, and positive reinforcement generate an atmosphere where student rules are viewed as guidelines for academic success. We can see this idea from an expert in the field supports interactive classroom management technique. I have also found supporting evidence from a case study at the Bangladesh International School, which is situated in Mohali villages. The school reported that 10% overall increase in English final grades were increased after their teachers received this interactive participative method of training in the student-centered teaching methodology. In addition to an increase in English grades, I also found testimonials from teachers and principals about how training in interactive class management had impacted their students in a positive way. You can see some of their positive comments here. After learning about all of the positive aspects of conducting this training, you are probably wondering, what about the logistics? Who, when, where, and how? I have answers to all of these questions. When we are talking about who, we can take this as some of the trainings the teacher can be the participants and audience. Some senior and eligible teachers from our institution will be the trainers. Some externals will also call from other institutions to conduct the training classes trains. When can this training be done? This training could be optional for other subject area teachers who speak English. The training could be held from 12 to 20 December 2018. It can take about 5 days. 4 classes should be taken each day, and it should be start from 9 o'clock and be finished at 1:30 p.m. Okay, now the thing is, when can we hold this training? We can do it and conduct it in the auditorium of our school. And here we get some materials. Have to use some materials. Projector, laptop can be used. We need a pointer. We need a white paper, chart papers, markers, sign pens, notebooks are needed for the training. The budget can be, we have a budget of 20 to 50 for not more than that. Now that we have talked about the logistics, let's move on to assessment and evaluation. The participants have to take part in different spot tests, question answer sessions, public speaking, group discussion. You can go for peer discussion, but you have to do formative as well as summative exam. You can go for presentation of interactive lesson plans and teaching technique. Submission of final interactive lesson plan should be done. This course evaluation would be a goal-based evaluation. The participants will be provided with the evaluation form. You just have to put a tick mark. There we'll have some open-ended question also given for the pre-concept. So the participants would be looking at their goals and determining if they met those goals. So, as you can see, today we talked about a big problem: low, unbalanced interaction among the students as well as teacher-student communication. And I have given you a solution to this problem. The solution is the training, teacher training on interactive classroom management technique. And why this is the best solution? There are some reasons. Firstly, a hands-on approach to help teacher to get knowledge, skills, and strategies to make students become more engaged and retain more material. Secondly, it is with or without a form of technology, it helps to strengthen problem solving and critical thinking skills. In this way, students' motivation is enhanced which has been proven to increase student success. I hope that today you have seen the benefits of conducting this training. I also hope that you will grant permission for me to conduct Ready, Set, Engage with our teachers. Thank you for your time and consideration.